Morning guys, so here at a job in High Green. As you can see, this is a blowtorch burglary. The lock and handle has been replaced by an emergency locksmith. As you can see, got a new handle. On this occasion they've just stuck a half cylinder in though, so unfortunately they can't use the door from the outside, but as you can see the damage of the door, where the burglars have burned round to gain access via snapping of the lock. How they do this is reach past the sacrificial ends. So obviously when people get mis-sold, should I say, the anti-snap locks as 1 stars, clearly they're not. This customer is going to upgrade to a composite door, giving maximum security. Us here at Cheflock, we actually install 3-star Ultians and a 2-star lock handles as standard on all our doors, giving the maximum security along with the composite door. But I just thought I'd just let you know that this is happening. This is a newish method of entry, but again very effective, and the burglars are now getting wise to things like 1-star locks. So just check your locks guys, make sure you don't have 1 stars fitted, because no matter what people say, they will not stop a burglar.